Hello, welcome to another day of class. Welcome to your math class. Today is Monday, August the 10th, 2020. And in your math class today you're going to work on page 43. So let's go to our books. Page 43, please, of our math books. Page 43. Okay. So, today we're going to learn about multiplication with carrying. We already work with addition or with subtraction with carrying, so now we're going to work with multiplication with carrying. So please go to your book, page 43, and then you are going to find the information about how do we can multiply with carry. So let's pay attention to the examples. Example number 1 is this one. Here we have 2 times 28. What we are going to do here? First, we're going to read the instructions. Multiply the ones place and carry the tens digit to the tens column. Then we are going to multiply the tens place and add the digit that was carried. If there is no digit in the hundred place, bring the carried digit straight down. Okay, let's start. So, 2 times 8, how much is it? 16, very good. So we're going to write the number 6 here and behind. So we are going to write here number 6 and on the number 2 we are going to write 1 and we're going to write a plus sign. So you already know that you are going to add that number. We are going always to start from the right side to the left side, not from the left to the right, no. Always from the right to the left, with the ones, then with the tens and dots. So we are going to work with exercise number 1 of page 43. Exercise number 1 of page 43. Here we have write the products. In number 1, in letter A we have 2 times 25. What we are going to do here? First, we are going to multiply 2 per 5 and then 2 per 2. So, 2 times 5, how much is it? 2 times 5 is 10. Yes, so we're going to write the 0 and here on the number 2, about the number 2, we're going to write 1. So, 2 times 2, how much is it? 4, very good. Plus, this one that we already have here is 5. So we have 50 as a result. Here we have letter B and also exercise letter C. You are going to complete the rest of the exercise letter D, E, I, G, and H alone by yourself. Then what you're going to do is, for example, look here. That is 3 times 2. How much is it? 6. So we are not carrying anything. 3 times 4 is 12. We are just going to write the number. Then, exercise number 2. Use your ruler to draw these lines. So you're going to draw one line of 5 1/2 inch, 1 1/2 inch, and 6 inches. And then your homework is going to be very easy. Your homework is to complete from the exercise number 2, from the exercise number 4, from the book page 43. That was everything for today, math class. I hope you understand this topic. See you until the next class. Please keep safe at home. I'm sending you hugs and kisses and blessings from the Lord. Bye.